you've been doing so good at school, taekwondo, swimming, and soccer. We have a surprise for you. Have a surprise for you.
Ah! I just saw one little claw.
Oh, wait, what?
I just saw one little claw.
What claw?
Oh, it's done. It's done at this.
A claw?
Turns me into my bathing suit, okay?
You what?
Into my bathing suit, my swimsuit. So we can go to the water park inside.
Yeah, are you excited?
Yeah.
This way.
Are we gonna sleep here for one night?
Yes.
Yay! I'm so excited.
Emily, look at all the little spiders.
Look at the giant spider.
Where? Oh wow, Emily, look at the giant spider.
I think they're the ones up here anymore.
And little spiders.
Bye.
Bye. This is where they do the performance. Come on, Rosie, let's go find our room. 105.
Which room number are we?
105.
105.
Yeah, are you ready to give them a tour of your room?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm so excited. I'm so nervous.
Why? Ready?
Yes, I'm excited. I'm so nervous about our new home.
It's not our new home. It's our room for tonight.
Hey,
Ta-da!
where's my own bedroom? Where's my own bedroom? Oh, this is so comfy.
Is it?
Yeah, it's so bouncy.
Here's the tour of the room, guys. We got 2 queen-size beds, some beautiful art, a couch that you can sleep in too, the table, and here it is. We can have our snacks and treats in here later on. Emily, turn the light on. How do you turn it on?
Oh.
Let's see. Oh, here. There we go.
Let's turn all the lights on.
Yeah, you can turn all the lights on. We got the art, some drawers for storing our stuff,
Mom, can you do
a
it for me?
safe.
Mom.
Yes?
Can you do it for me? Can you do it for me, Mom?
And the restroom is in there.
Mom.
Remember you said you had to use the restroom? You got so distracted. Let's go. Let's turn that light on.
Turn that light on for me. No, Jane. We need to get some drink. Wait.
She wants to turn all the lights on. Nice. Okay. Go use the restroom. Here's the restroom, guys.
So new.
Turn the light on. It's on this side.
That's good.
The art. The restroom. Nice tub. Alrighty, go use the restroom. I'll see you out here.
No.
Okay, guys. Emily wants to show you her wands from our previous visits. Right, Emily?
Yeah.
This was, I think, the first one we got. And this, give it to me, mi amor. This one, they don't sell here anymore. But there was this girl on our last visit. She wanted to get a new one. And her dad said no, because yours is perfectly fine. But Emily wanted the pink one. So we bought her a new wand. And she gave us this one. And that's how Emily got the pink wand. And this piece, I think they still sell this piece here. I'm not sure. but this is the one that comes with this wand, and the other piece, the green one, this one here, comes with this one. We got it to go with this one, and this is the one that we got to go with this one. Let's put them together and we'll show you guys what they look like. All right guys, so this one is the one that goes with this, so we're just gonna put it together.
I don't know how to put it.
I'll help you in a minute.
Okay, so just try it out.
You see that? These are super cool.
I'm going to the water park already.
We are gonna go to the water park.
Alright.
This is what it looks like. See? There we go.
I'm doing it, I'm doing it.
And here's the second one. Let's see me.
I did it.
You see how it lights up?
That is so...
This one we have to be super careful with because I actually had to glue this piece because it broke off, but here it is. Now we're gonna get ready to go swimming.
Yeah!
Emily, look at the Build-A-Bears now. Which ones do you have?
What's his name again?
I don't remember.
I got Violet and only the one.
Oh yeah, we do have her, but she looks different now.
I know. I got two and got this and this, but now I'm only missing two of these. But
You're missing those. We'll see.
let's see if we got one today.
Maybe.
And then
This sitting area is new because they didn't have all these chairs and tables last time. Alrighty guys, we're gonna go check out downstairs now. We're on our way to the water park. Right, Emily?
yeah,
Let's go.
I don't know which way to start because I'm blind looking.
What?
Lucky.
Silly. Ooh, hungry as a wolf. Pizza spot. Thanx. And they have the Build-A-Bear workshop over there. You see the Build-A-Bear workshop? And the pizza spot? We're going in, guys. See you in a minute. And we're in, guys. Here's one section. After lots of playtime, now we get to eat. What are you eating?
Some chicken tenders.
Yeah, it's so loud over here, guys. This is what we're gonna have. A little bit on the healthy, lighter side. And we got our beautiful Grey Book Lodge cup. There you go. Here's the play area, guys, but I don't want to record so much because like I always tell you guys, I hate being too invasive of people's privacy, but here it is. See you guys later. Bye. Here's a video of all the super cute swimming merch they have. And here is the ice cream shop, guys. The ice cream shop. Ooh, that's yummy. Oh, those are the Halloween drinks. And what do they have in here? They have a chill spot. What is that for? Here's a bowling alley. The 10-paw alley. Yeah, look at that. You can go take a picture over there. And look at all the cool furniture. Alrighty, let's take a picture, Emily. Emily, what are you doing? Nice. Rosie, right over here. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
One for you, Mom.
Oh, you're so sweet. This is for you. Hi.
Someone has a pilot.
That's cool. Where? Oh, look. That's cool. Okay, let's go. Let's find Papa so we can go downstairs and do more trick-or-treating, right?
Yes.
Are you having fun?
Yeah?
Big spider. There's a dinosaur over there. Oh, look at the new ones.
Look
Look
at
at him over there too. Look at me.
This is the new Sammy. This is the new Sammy because the one Emily has is not here anymore. Yeah, that's the new Sammy because Emily has the other Sammy.
I had this one and
Violet, Brinley, Sammy, Oliver, and the raccoon. Here's a little bundle on this side. Cool swim set. And we have the other one, the one that Emily got on this side.
Perfect. On your pretty hair, so you don't have a back for now. Alright, so you hold your heart tight, close your eyes, and make a big wish. Did you make your wish? Okay, so you go ahead and put it inside. Thank you. Alright, so you go ahead and step on that heart.
Thank you.
Thank you.
See too. Here's the Magi Quest store, guys. Right now we are trick-or-treating. Go trick-or-treat.